And they have to have formation
that the commando school is famous for in the Indian Army. It is confidence training.
Because you know, in the wild, you're not just attacked by enemies.
Hei obrolan panas, salam baku hantam. Pasukan khusus disiapkan dengan kemampuan dan tugasnya yang sangat khusus
Also,
dan
jungle
spesial.
survival skills.
Nah,
I love you more than words can say.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is your boy Shady Shade, the one and only, guys, and we are back here again today, guys, on this beautiful day. So guys, today we'll be checking out Russia versus India versus Indonesian military training. Okay guys, so today it will be clips and clips and clips from these countries, from these amazing countries. Their trainings are very epic, crazy, mad. Today we're gonna have an insight into how they all train. Okay, so it's not gonna be proper in-depth, but I'm gonna give you glimpses of how they do it. All right guys, Привет! Хорошо. Hi dosto. Main Shady Shehun or Mereja Sakoi Bina here guys. Namaste. Vanakam. Namaskar. Halo semuanya. Nama saya Shady Sheh satu-satunya. Hari ini aku punya reaksi video Russia versus India versus Indonesia. So guys, without saying too much, I'm gonna go straight to action. I've been talking too much, but before I start, guys, I need you to go down, smash like, and subscribe. Why am I clapping? And subscribe. Let's get this started. We start with Russia. Okay, this is gonna be good. Ooh! 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 They just started with a bang! With a bang! So that's a hand-to-hand combat. He gave him the kung fu, turn around kick, back kick, okay, leg over. Because as a military, you have to be able to fight hand to hand, because sometimes like your bullets finish, so you have to be ready. Like, boom, the kicks. I said the kicks. Obviously the kicks. My legs are down there. Yeah, but the kicks, the punches, and then defending yourself proper. Did he smash him? Boom! I felt that.
The brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now.
I felt that. These guys are strong like stone. Ooh la la! Russia, you know. Yo, their body is solid. The training they go through. Okay, set in the UAV.
Everybody wanna do the same thing. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing and I maintain. Flow like water, so
and they have to have formation so they don't shoot themselves with friendly fire.
Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
In snow, in the cold,
Flow like
they
water,
have
so
to
I'm
be
going
ready.
mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
Jump out and you have to hold your guns. You can't lose your gun. And you have to have formation so you don't shoot yourself with the friendly fire, you get me? Discipline.
Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
Do some kung fu moves as well. That guy's so tall.
I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
These guys are badass.
Facts, bro. Lot of haters. Tell me where they at, I'm the new pop, all I do is rap, though.
Oh my days.
A couple steps, yo. mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
Yo.
Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream.
Yo.
Mainstream.
Yo.
Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
Yo. Yo, these Russians are crazy, crazy. Their training is out of this world. You see how they're training? You see how they're training? They're training like they're going to fight Godzilla, yeah, or they're going to fight King Kong. Yeah, they're getting proper prepared, busting concrete, yeah, with the head, with their body, with their hands, with everything, with their face being smashed as well, and then conditioning their bodies. Always making sure they have their guns held. They have to be ready to hold their guns at all times. And if they lose their guns, maybe if the, let's say their mags finish, their bullets finish, then they have to be ready for hand-to-hand combat as well. You just have to be ready, because in Battlefront there's no second chance. Like, pew, you're gone, finished. Anyway, that's it too much, guys. Let's go to the next one, which will be India. India, give it to me, give it to me, give it to me, give it to me, Dosto. Okay, India Commandos confidence training
challenge that the Commando School is famous for in the Indian Army. It is confidence training at the Lido tank.
You know the pressure the water
Lido
exerts.
is just a Spanish word for an outdoor pool. The main concept of Lido comes into play keeping in mind the fear of heights.
This test is divided into two challenges.
Okay.
The first challenge, the commando slide. The commandos have to slide down from a 30 feet high platform.
Wow.
With their body in a perfect L position. Challenge 2. This challenge has 3 parts. Part 1, the confidence walk. They have to walk across a 1 foot wide beam suspended 50 feet above the Lido tank.
Imagine walking on that narrow, slim platform, yeah, 50 meters up above the Lido, the pool. Imagine that. You have to walk confidently, yeah, because I mean, right now, if I'm walking on something that high, I'm gonna be like this. But they have nothing to lean on. You just have to walk directly, walk straight, and walk with confidence. You get me? Like, wow. Yeah, this is gonna be a challenge, though. This is a challenge. So this for when they're on high terrain.
Monkey crawl. With the commando's hands still slippery from the swim, they have to get to the middle of a rope suspended 55 feet above the tank. Part 3, the Lido jump. The commandos must make their bodies into a perfect arrow. Ask permission to jump, and at the sound of a gunshot, pierce the water below. The smaller the splash, the better the jump.
Wow. Wow.
If they
This
fail the
is
final test
crazy.
in the last week of the course,
Ooh!
they may not pass the course. From
Oh,
day 3,
he
they better
slipped.
put their best foot forward.
This is crazy because, you know, obviously after that confidence walk, he swam in the water, yeah, then climbing back up here, his hands are slippery already, and trying to hold it, like grasp it without falling is hard. That's crazy. But in real life situation, like if you do that and then you fall and die, you see what I mean? So you have to be ready.
For Commander Nishan, this is familiar territory.
He's walking on it like he's home. Like he's going back home. He's used to it already. The smaller the splash,
What might seem
The
like
better
a
the jump.
slide in a water park is an extremely important test.
ooh, he failed it.
To build the confidence of our commandos,
failed it.
so that
Yeah?
they get to the do or die.
Look at that guy's face.
Commando
See his face. He's like, oh my God, I'm gonna do that again. Yeah, I mean, I'm not laughing at him. Like, I'm not mocking him. But I know what he's thinking. It's crazy. This is crazy, bruh. Yeah. But I want to try it though. I want to try it. I'm not gonna lie. I want to try this, guys. Take me out to try this, guys.
To the do-or-die spirit that commandos are famous for.
Whoa. Also building that immunity, because their immunity has to be strong. Because if you're in the battlefront, you fall sick. That's it. Just say goodbye. Yo.
These 5 weeks proved too much. The group strength falls from 23 to 16.
India's paratroopers earning the badge.
You see how they look slim? You see their muscles? Those muscles are thick, dense. When we say dense, this is not gym muscle. Boom! You have to be able to withstand pain, pressure. You see soldiers here, no matter how their sizes, never ever underestimate a soldier. Yeah, they might look small, slim, but so far as they are soldiers, so far as they are commandos or whatever they are, guys, do not underestimate them because of what they've been through, what they've gone through. Their body's properly ready, their body's properly conditioned, they can withstand a lot of pain, they can endure a lot. That guy kept hitting his own because he didn't bust up the whole thing. Okay. Let's see. Can they break you all in one strike? Almost looks like a kung fu training. Ooh! Wait, I need to see that again. So they bust it with their head. Ooh! Whoa, this is crazy. This is intense. Okay, very intense. I must say, yeah. Like I said, these trainings are just different trainings. Okay, different trainings that each of these armies do. Okay, so it's not like a direct comparison. We're just showing insight into different countries and their trainings. Okay, now let's do Indonesia. So they go to the middle of the ocean to drop the officer, and he has to swim to land from the middle of the ocean. No oxygen, nothing. Kopassus. Talking of endurance.
Hei obrolan panas, salam baku hantam. Pasukan khusus disiapkan dengan kemampuan dan tugasnya yang sangat khusus
Also
dan
jungle
spesial.
survival skills.
Nah, salah satu yang paling diunggulkan adalah Denjaka atau Detasmen Jala Mangkara, Tentara Nasional Indonesia Angkatan Laut. Denjaka bukanlah pasukan yang sembarangan.
Wow.
Prajurit di dalamnya merupakan gabungan dari pasukan elit TNI Angkatan Laut, yakni Kopaska dan Taifib. Buset, masuk Kopaska aja udah sulit nih bos. Ini anggota Denjaka terdiri dari Kopaska. Wow nggak tuh? Pemutungan Denjaka berdasarkan instruksi dari Panglima TNI di masa lalu pada tahun 1984. Keistimewaan dari prajurit ini yang selalu digadang-gadang bahwa satu personil Denjaka sama dengan 120 orang.
So you know they throw them in the water, yeah, bound as well. Okay, and they have to swim and survive like that. Yeah, and they have to do this crawl where they're shot. Baka, they're being shot and they're crawling.
Prajurit TNI
You see that?
biasa. Nah,
Like they're crawling and they're being
artinya
shot
apa?
with live
Artinya tidak
rounds.
mudah memang menjadi seorang Denjaka. Mungkin manusia biasa
And they have
saja
to swim
tidak
with all
akan
the heavy
sanggup,
load.
bos. Bahkan katanya dari ratusan prajurit yang tangguh pun hanya 50 orang saja yang memenuhi kualifikasi penuh menjadi anggota pasukan khusus tersebut.
Yeah,
Mereka akan
this is
mendapat
one
pelatihan yang
where
sangat keras yang biasa dilakukan di
they're taken
kawah
to the
Chandra
middle
di
of the
muka,
ocean, to the
Situbondo.
middle.
Bahkan
Yeah,
tahun-tahun
thrown
sebelumnya
in
tidak sedikit
and asked to
prajurit
swim
yang
to land
gagal
without
dalam proses
oxygen.
pendidikannya dan hanya belasan saja yang diterima. Bagi yang tidak berhasil dan gugur akan kembali lagi ke kesatuan sebelumnya. Sementara jika prajurit berhasil masuk ke seleksi tahap 2, tidak semuanya bisa lolos. Ya, pendidikan yang super ketat dan super keras ini harus dilakukan guna menjadi pasukan yang sangat unggul. Selain harus kuat secara fisik, para
This
calon
is
anggota
crazy.
Denjaka pun dituntut mempunyai IQ yang tinggi.
Going through
Kenapa?
torture as well. They torture
Ini
them as
karena
well.
prajurit Denjaka akan sering
Blindfolded,
digunakan
tortured,
dalam masalah
beaten,
penyusupan di daerah operasi,
carrying heavy
sehingga
loads.
mereka harus mengatasi masalah dengan cepat, baik secara individu
You know, as a military personnel, jungle survival training is very, very, very essential.
Selama dalam proses pendidikan, calon anggota hanya akan mendapat teori di dalam kelas 20% saja. Selebihnya mereka akan berlatih langsung di dalam hutan, laut, dan udara.
Yo,
Nah, buat
look
kalian
at
para
that
mahasiswa
weapon.
yang tidak suka di kelas, mungkin bisa mengikuti
So
seleksi
these are their
Denjaka.
skills.
Tidak mudah memang untuk mendapatkan pelatihan dengan nilai sempurna. Mereka harus mendapatkan pendidikan super ketat dan keras, melakukan penyusupan dengan terjun payung, bergerak cepat di
Yeah, in
dalam
Asia,
laut,
they are
dan
one of the
bertahan
best. One
hidup
of the
di
best,
daratan.
best.
Terpaan ombak di Laut Banyuwangi yang biasanya menghanyutkan perahu nelayan harus bisa mereka atasi. Mereka harus bertahan sekaligus menyelamatkan
Oh yeah,
diri
this is
sendiri
the one
dan
where they put them in the
anggota
water
lainnya.
and then they time them,
Bahkan
yeah?
mereka kerap dengan kaki dan tangan terikat di ombang-ambing. di
Oh,
laut.
this is a crazy one of the craziest ones. You see them, they are bound and they have to, they have to free themselves as well. So they'll be left there, yeah, they'll be left in the water, they'll stay for a long time, and then they have to come out. Crazy, bro. Crazy.
Nah loh, sangat berat bukan? Setelah berhasil melawan ganasnya ombak di lautan, hal selanjutnya yang perlu dilakukan calon anggota adalah bertahan hidup di dalam
Oh
hutan.
yeah, that's killing the
Perbekalan
snakes. You
pada
have
para
to get
anggota
like cobras,
pelatihannya
king
hanyalah
cobras.
garam saja,
Wow.
ya lumayan. Bahkan air minum pun tidak dibekali. Mereka benar-benar
Because you have
harus
to
mencari
cook, you have
sendiri
to
di dalam
survive, you have to use the
hutan.
jungle, you have to
Sementara
use what
proses
you have around you
pelatihannya
to
biasanya
survive.
dilakukan di alas purwo. Tepat di tengah hutan, mereka harus bisa bertahan hidup selama berhari-hari. Tak jarang mereka
And they have to
memutuskan
make a
untuk
tent as well
berburu
to sleep in the
binatang buas,
trees. If not,
seperti
things
ular
on the floor,
misalnya.
like animals can creep
Namun
on you,
kalau mereka hanya
bite
mampu
you, and you
menangkap
could die.
seekor monyet, maka binatang itulah yang
And they have to
akan
eat
menjadi
monkeys as well
santapannya.
sometimes.
Belum
They
diketahui
have to.
secara jelas apa saja misi yang dilakukan oleh Denjaka. Ya, karena prajurit ini rahasia, misinya juga rahasia. Silakan share dan baku hantam kalian di laut.
Guys, this is so crazy. So crazy. Guys, we've seen these three countries, Russia, India, Indonesia. Their militaries, the training they go through is intense, proper intense. Their body is properly conditioned. They put them through a lot of stress, through a lot of pressure. They test their confidence. They test their mental strength. They have to be ready physically, emotionally, and mentally as well. They have to be ready mentally. You have to be focused. You have to prepare your mind, okay? Because you know, once you're in the battlefront, it's a do or die affair. Any little mistake, any slight mistake could cost your life, could cost your limbs. Okay, so you have to be ready. Your body has to be prepared to endure a lot of pain. Okay, endure a lot of hardship. You have to be able to survive in the jungle. Okay, because you don't have enough provisions. There are times I'm sure they go hungry. They go for days with no food, but they have to be mentally alert as well. They have to be alert. They just have to be prepared for anything, because you never know. You never know. You're under the elements as well. Yeah. Then also there are wild animals. There are things around that could kill you. Not even just your enemies. You have to be ready to fight the elements first of all. Fighting the elements, then fighting your enemies at the same time. So it's fight for survival. You have to fight properly to survive. Okay, to survive. then annihilate your enemies as well, okay? Annihilate any threat to you. This is mad intense, mad intense. You see how they have been hit with things? They hit the things so that they can endure it, yeah? Their pain threshold is really high, really high. So guys, next time you see a soldier out there, yeah, they might look slim and skinny like that, you might be like, oh, that's a weak guy. Trust me, you punch and punch and punch, you'll be punching the wall, you'll be punching concrete, you'll be punching stones, and they'll be like, are you done? Are you ready? Should I punch you now? My guy will punch you, yeah? Your spirit and soul will just escape. I'm telling you. You just be there like, that's it. Autopsy, they'll be like, sorry guys, we gotta find the body. Okay, what I said was rubbish. Anyway guys, this was crazy, like I said. Intense. I definitely enjoyed this. Okay, I enjoyed this. This is something I'd like to go through, definitely. Okay, a lot of people don't understand what the military go through. The military go through a lot. Okay, we need to give them more respect. Okay, we need to appreciate them some more. I think, yeah, people need to serve in the military. Even if you don't serve for a year, yeah, or in fact, even if you don't serve, but you need to go and experience what they experience, okay, for some time, maybe for a week, for a month, so we'll understand and appreciate what they go through for us to ensure we have our peace, safety, and security in our countries. Because a lot of people wake up in the morning, go around, end up being stupid to other people, being like, they call them dickheads, okay, being annoying, yeah, being silly, okay, not realizing that there's some people out there risking their lives to ensure our peace and safety. Guys, clap for the military, clap for your country's military. Anyways, me, your boy Shady Shady, the one and only. Guys, let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Let me know, do you think the trainings were intense or not? If you have any requests, guys, let me also know as well, and make sure you smash like, subscribe, give me some love. It's gonna be a peace out, guys.
I love you more than words can say. You are me. Oh, you are the light that shine in my way. You are me. Oh, I love you more than words can say. You are me. Oh, you are the light that shine in my way.